Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Let's get charged up. This portable charger power bank is super cool. I have been wanting a power bank for a very long time. I often forget my charger and my phone often dies. But you can also use this in different ways for different products as well. It is very versatile. Here I'm plugging up my lights and it works. It is very small. So if we're going for a walk with the kids or if I'm just on the phone out and about, I can plug it up so the conversation does not end. If you have pockets, you can fit it right in your pocket, whether it's on your shirt or in your pants. This product is very convenient and super easy to charge. I love putting the charger in one pocket and putting my phone in another. That means I'm hands-free. So if you are looking for something that can charge many things and be very convenient, small, compact, and just such a good product, I would definitely recommend this product. And that's my point of view.